Feeling stuck. My story. Life felt like a broken record. Wake up, work, eat, sleep, repeat. I felt stuck. My dreams felt miles away. I longed for change, but I didn't know where to start. I was trapped in a cycle of negative thoughts. I doubted myself and my abilities. Fear held me back from pursuing my passions. I knew I needed a change, but I felt powerless. One day, I stumbled upon the work of Dr. Joe Dispenza. His words resonated with me. He talked about the power of the mind to shape reality. Could this be the answer I was searching for? Intrigued, I dove headfirst into his teachings. Little did I know, this would be the beginning of my journey to unlocking my dream life. Embracing Dispenza's ideas wasn't easy. Years of negative self-talk and limiting beliefs had created deep grooves in my mind. Old habits die hard. My mind constantly drifted back to familiar patterns of worry and doubt. It felt like an uphill battle. I struggled to quiet my inner critic. Negative thoughts kept popping up like unwelcome guests. I knew consistency was key, but it was challenging to stay focused. However, I was determined to break free. I reminded myself why I started this journey in the first place: to unlock a life of purpose, joy, and fulfillment. Dispenza's magic. The tools for transformation. Dispenza's method centered around 3 powerful techniques: meditation, visualization, and gratitude. He stressed the importance of shifting our energy and emotions. Meditation helped quiet the constant chatter of my mind. It created space for new, empowering thoughts to emerge. Visualization allowed me to create a clear vision of my dream life. I imagined myself living with purpose, joy, and abundance. Gratitude became my daily practice. I focused on the good in my life, big or small, shifting my energy from lack to abundance. These techniques, when practiced consistently, became powerful tools for reshaping my reality. So, what are you waiting for? Give Joe Dispenza's techniques a try and let us know how it goes. We can't wait to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more inspiring content. See you next time.